I've gotten very lucky and seen a great horned owl while there is still good light. Just look at those huge eyes looking so intently ahead. Owls have excellent vision, especially night vision, which allow them to track their prey. And just look at those claws. These owls camouflage so well in the trees. The only reason I saw it was that it flew past me and I was able to guess where it landed. Now the owl is about to screech. What I want to focus on in this video is the owl's eyes, which are very large for its size relative to the human eye. Their eyes allow it to see extremely well at night and have very good depth perception. The owl can dilate its eyes very quickly and at will, and in this video you will see several examples of this. Watch closely to see if you can see this dilation. Here is the dilation in slow motion. This owl looks her intently. Here are some more eye dilations. The owl's eyes are faced straight ahead, but it has remarkable flexibility in its neck to pivot to see in different directions. Here is another dilation in slow motion. The owl's feathers are not only beautiful, but help it fly silently. Now it's time to say goodbye to this majestic bird as it flies away.